This is Get Reach. It is an app that allows you to get social reach on X for whatever you need it for. I've had a lot of my followers ask, hey Matt, I'm new to Twitter or I'm new to X and I'm having a hard time getting interaction on my posts. And so this is really a big problem for when you're trying to social farm an airdrop that requires you to post things on Twitter or post things and get engagement. So if you are a content creator or if you are someone who's social farming for an airdrop or whatever your needs are to get more engagement on your X account, this app is going to help you do that. This is the Reach dashboard. And to get to this page, you can simply go to reach.mattscrypto.com and make an account by signing in. Up top here, we can see 18 active missions, which we'll talk about in just a second. There are total rewards available right now of 131,000 Reach tokens. And you can see right here, there's been over 2.8 million Reach tokens distributed so far. Currently, I have 20,000 Reach tokens in my wallet, and I've gotten a lot of those from interacting on other people's posts and earning tokens in reward for interacting with their content. So you can see 18 active total missions. If we click the missions tab right over here, these are all of the missions actively available. And what a mission is simply a tweet or a post on X and different ways to interact with that. So you can see right here, if we go down here, this one's in progress. The theme is DeFi. You can see that there's going to be 7,645 Reach tokens available. That's going to be the amount of Reach tokens rewarded to folks who interact with this tweet. This one wants you to like, reply, and retweet. So we'll click on that, and then it's going to bring us over to the tweet itself. And in order to get points or get Reach tokens from this mission, we can like, we can reply and say good morning or whatever, and we can also retweet this to get action on this mission. So now, once this mission closes in 20 hours and 28 minutes, we will get some portion of those Reach tokens based on the amount of interaction engagement I have on my account. If we go back to the dashboard, we can see right here, if we move me out of the way, my Reach score in the last 7 days is level 3. This level goes all the way up to 7 or 8. I think I've been as high as level 7. When your engagement is higher in the last 7 days, your score will be higher and you will earn more Reach tokens from each mission that you complete. We scroll down and you can see that there are 18 of these. That's where it says over here, 18 different missions available. Well, these are the 18 missions that are available. And each one of them has a different time frame, right? 13 hours left. This one's got 11 hours left, 9 hours left. This one's got 6 days left. You can see this one's got a ton of tokens available, 35,000 Reach tokens. But this one's a little bit different. All you have to do is follow board Elon Musk. So if you go over here and click follow, I actually believe I already follow them. I already was following them. Super easy, but we're actually going to get a very good chunk of this because that's such an easy thing to do is follow them. And then we're going to get a portion of these 35,000 Reach tokens once this one ends in a couple days, right? In 6 days. These ones are definitely a lot more valuable to do, especially since there's a lot more Reach tokens available, but there'll probably be a lot more people interacting with these as well. From time to time, there's also other missions where you can actually have to put stuff in your bio or do different kinds of interactions depending on what they want you to do for each mission. You can also select this little toggle right here, which is premium only, and premium is just going to give you a higher amount of Reach tokens for each interaction. So you can see right here, this one has the premium tag, and this one's just going to pay out more tokens than other non-premium ones would, right? 600 on the regular one here, and this one right here was the premium one that has 7,600 in total. Now, as you can also see right here, they're going to get a little checked banner next to the ones that you've completed. So we'll go down here and do 2 more here. These are also follow ones. We're going to do these one because they're super, super easy to do. So that's pretty cool. But these also have 20,000 Reach tokens available. That's going to get us quite a bit. So once you actually do these tasks or these missions, and you want to actually see how many Reach tokens you've gotten here, you go over to this claim page right here, and you're going to scroll down and see the rewards history. You can see right here, these are all of the different token amounts that I've gotten over the last couple months. I've gotten 37, 9, 4, 84, 25, 47, 54, 73, 80, blah, 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 blah. You see all the different ones right here, and you can actually click on view mission to see which one you actually earned those tokens from. So this was a poll that I interacted with, again, one of the founders of Reach right here, and I actually liked the tweet, and that actually got me, I think, with 27 or 40 Reach tokens. So that's where you can see all the history. And when you want to go ahead and claim your Reach tokens, you're going to come over here and you're going to see the claimable rewards will pop up with however many Reach tokens you have that you can claim. You need to have 400 of these before you can claim each time. So you do need to rack up a couple if you want to complete missions in order to claim your rewards, and then they will be in your wallet. Okay, so that is how you earn Reach tokens and how you complete missions. But let me show you guys how to create your own mission missions, and that way you can go and promote your own content and get more engagement on your content for whatever reason that you want to. To do that, we're gonna go back over to the dashboard and click the button right up top that says Create Mission. Then we'll be under the Create Mission page. You can see there's 4 different types of missions you can do. There's engage, there's mentions, there's bios where you can have someone put stuff in their bio. And then we don't have access to this one yet, but this one's the one they're testing out, which is follows. So you can get more followers right on this page just by, like you saw before, creating a mission for it. For this example, we're gonna do engage because it's the most simple one. So if we wanted to go back over to our account here and my pinned tweet right here, I wanted to get more engagement on this tweet. We'd copy the link, paste it right over here, and you can see that it shows you a preview of your tweet and how it's gonna look on the missions page. Then we wanna pick the topic it's under, and I would say that it's probably under farming and maybe tech, maybe DeFi, but farming is most likely the accurate one. This is for the Prime token in Wayfinder. Then once everything looks good over here, you can go over to the engage mission section, and this section is where you're gonna set the time duration for how long you want your mission to be available. We'll probably go ahead and do 6 hours. We can also select whether we want it to be a premium or a regular post. And the premium ones are gonna cost you more. You can see right here, the audience for all is gonna be a base price of 600 reach. And for premium, it's a base price of 1200 reach. Now the premium ones are gonna show up first on the missions and obviously will offer more reach tokens, which will incentivize users to interact more with your post as opposed to just a regular mission. You can also see with toggling the different duration of time, it is gonna cost you more or less reach tokens depending on how long you have it listed for. This makes sense because the longer it's listed, the more people will see it and more people will interact with it. The longest period and a premium post will be a 2000 reach base price. This is the section where you can really incentivize users to interact with your post. You can add bonuses, which is additional reach tokens to incentivize users to really push your mission and really interact with your mission. So the higher you put here, the more likely it is that people will want to interact because they're going to get more rewards out of interacting with your mission. Now, you might be asking, well, what is 4,000 reach even worth? How much am I paying for someone to interact with this post? If we head over to CoinMarketCap, we can see that reach is currently worth about 2.5 cents per reach token. If we head back over to the mission creation page, we can see right here that the 1-day premium post with a 2,000 reach bonus will be again 4,000 reach tokens. 4,000 reach tokens at about 2.5 cents each is almost exactly $100. So we're gonna be spending $100 to boost our engagement on this post right here. So that is the typical flow of the Reach platform. You can engage in other people's missions to earn Reach tokens, and then in turn, you can use those Reach tokens to create your own missions and help boost your own engagement. If you want to just farm this as a platform where you can go ahead and do social tasks by going to missions and interacting with different posts, and then collect those reach tokens and sell those reach tokens for cash or other tokens, USDC or ETH or whatever else you want to, you can. Now, I should mention that the Reach token is on the base chain, which means that transacting Reach token, whether you're selling it or buying it or sending it, is going to be much cheaper than Ethereum mainnet. The Reach token does run on the base Coinbase's layer 2 on Ethereum, which is really nice because it does help make the gas fees much cheaper. So if you are someone who is going to go and do missions and sell them, you'll be paying a lot less gas when you do those swaps. If you are like me, I do a little bit of both. I like to sell some of the Reach tokens, and I also like to farm the Reach tokens and then use those tokens to make my own missions under the Create Mission page and boost my own posts that way as well. But I suggest using this app however you want to, whether that's to farm for cash or farm for engagement or both. Those are all options that are available to you. Now, the last part of the Reach dashboard is the wallet. Once you actually claim your Reach tokens to your wallet, you can see right here, it's gonna have a preset wallet for you. This is where the Reach tokens will go once you claim them. This is your wallet address right here. What you can do then is you can go ahead and bridge it to a different chain if you want to, or you can send your Reach wallets to another wallet, say the one that you have on MetaMask, and your Reach tokens will be in a wallet that you control at that point. Because currently you cannot export the private key for this wallet, meaning that the wallet you have on your Reach account will be basically stuck on on that account only. And if you want to bring these tokens to sell them on Uniswap or another decentralized exchange, you will need to go over, put in your wallet address right here under recipient, and then however many Reach tokens you want to send, you can put in the amount and you'll go ahead and send those over from your Reach wallet to whichever wallet you prefer. And if you didn't want to farm any missions, but you simply wanted to buy Reach tokens in order to create your own mission and offer Reach benefits so you can get some engagement on your posts, you can also buy Reach tokens right here within the wallet page. What you'll need to do, as you can see right here, is you'll have to have Ethereum on the base network and connect your wallet on the base network in order to swap your Ethereum into Reach tokens. And you can do however many tokens you want right here on this page. I personally think it's a lot easier to go over to the missions page and do some social interactions to farm those Reach tokens that way. But if you wanted to get a lot of Reach tokens for some reason very quickly, then you could go and buy them here over on the base chain. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you go over to reach.matscrypto.com to check it out. Again, there is no money required. There is no investments required here. It's simply a free platform you can try out by creating missions and getting engagement on your content, or just going and doing other people's missions in order to earn some Reach tokens for yourself and engage in social farming that way. Before you head out, make sure you go over and watch this video. You don't want to miss it.